looking forward to being able to wave at other Corvette owners for my own Corvette. I'm gonna leave the car cover out here to dry out, to air out a little bit right now. Can't leave it outside because it's gonna start raining soon. I mean, this cover really is my best friend right now. I mean, the car is in incredible condition, and I'm sure it would be a little bit worse off, at least, if it weren't for this cover keeping it safe and protected from the elements for the past several years. Let's take a look at all the stuff that was inside the car. Didn't have too much time to go through it in detail earlier, so it's like a nice sunshade right here. It's the original owner's manual. Uh-oh, what did I just break? That's not good. Oh, here's the wrench for the roof. An original Thomas guide from 2004. Got a nice little cassette adapter. This will definitely come in handy. Random trash. All the old service records are here. Looks like everything was very well kept. Smog test records. Let's hope that won't be a problem when I pick up the car. The first thing I'll have to do, get it smogged before I can legally finish the registration and start driving it. Oh, what's this? It's a Prowler. I love that car. A lot of people hate on it, but that's one of my dream cars. More paperwork. An old gas receipt from 2013. Bob Baker Chevrolet. I'm guessing this is where the car was bought. Wow, this is like opening a time capsule. Odometer now reads 7 miles. Wow. May 6th, 1994. I see what I just broke now. I think it was it looks like an old pen. It's like a flashlight that's included with the owner's manual. That's pretty cool. Just popped right open. Let's put it back together. This probably goes in here. Ah, there we go. Wow, it still works. That's cool. 90s technology at its best. Oh my gosh. Wow. I was really hoping this would be in here. Didn't actually expect it to, though. It's got the preferred equipment group number 1. That includes a bunch of stuff here. A 6-way power driver's seat, selective ride and handling package. It has the glass roof, or the clear roof. It's not made of glass. The leather sports seats, upgraded music system, 6-way passenger power seat, performance axle ratio. Yeah, I've seen several 1994's C4s on the market, and it seems like most of them are not nearly this well equipped. Wow, seriously, this is like opening a time capsule. Especially knowing this car has been in the family since new and so well cared for. This is a priceless moment. It is freezing outside right now. It's already March. Shouldn't it be a little bit warmer by now? This is one of those rare times here in LA when the weather forecast shows over an entire week of almost non-stop rain with pretty much no end in sight. I mean, what the heck happened to sunny Southern California? It's the reason people buy convertible sports cars here, right? I gotta say, I'm definitely a little bit worried about the weather right now since I have no clue when the Corvette's gonna be ready for me to pick up. People here already drive bad enough in good weather. When it rains, things are at a whole different level. Plus, it would be nice to stop along the way home and take some pictures of the car before sending it straight to the garage, right? So hopefully, God willing, we'll end up with some dry roads and some clear skies. Once upon a time, when premium fuel was only $3.69 a gallon. I don't think I studied half this hard in college. Does anybody still remember Geo? Alright, so it's been almost a week already, and the wait is killing me. The two biggest questions on my mind, of course, is 1, how long is it gonna take? And 2, what's it gonna cost me? Now, I'm not the kind of guy that always keeps my phone on me, but these past few days, it has rarely left my side. Todd has been doing an amazing job of keeping me updated with everything that's been going on with the car. Every time I get a text from him, I'm torn between, yay, it's Todd, and at the same time, uh-oh, it's Todd. Because usually it's some sort of good news mixed with some sort of bad news. Now let's start with the good. As of yesterday, the car has successfully started up for the first time. It needed a new fuel pump, of course, cleaning out the fuel system, plus a new battery. But for the first time in several years, it's now back to life again. But of course, things can never be perfect, right? All those years of sitting were, unfortunately, not very kind to the car. The water pump and a bunch of other stuff needs to be replaced, which really sucks because the car had just had the water pump and the OptiSpark distributor replaced in its final years of being driven, and probably only saw about less than 3,000 miles since then. And in case you didn't know, with the C4 Corvettes, getting that stuff replaced is not exactly a quick or easy job. So yeah, at this point it's pretty clear that my wallet is not going to like this car very much. Well, let me end on some good news. Actually, this is probably the best news. I just found out there's a chance the car might be done early next week, or even as soon as the end of this week. So, if everything goes as planned, in less than a week, I'll be bringing the Corvette home. Woohoo! Happy Friday. I just found out earlier today, the Corvette is all fixed and ready for me to pick up. Now, on a more disappointing note, I'm actually not going to be picking up the car today. The shop's already closed right now, and I had already made commitments for work that involve, well, let's just say people who are more than twice my pay grade. And I gotta do what I gotta do to actually pay for this thing, right? And plus, I got to see a pretty cool C4 during lunch break. Now, this car definitely turned out to have more issues than I had expected. And that also means it's gonna cost me quite a bit more than I had hoped. But that's part of the fun of owning an old car, right? I mean, I knew going into it that once I committed to owning the car and getting it towed to the shop and fixed, it was pretty much a point of no return. Either I skimp out right now and get a cheap fix and end up burning a lot more cash down the road, or I get it done right the first time and start enjoying the car the way it's meant to be. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna focus on the positive. The car's all fixed and good to go. What's done is already done. There shouldn't be any more surprises. And there's even a good chance the weather might clear up over the next few days. I am super excited right now. I can't stop thinking about it. I'm not gonna get much sleep these next few nights. But come Monday morning, first thing in the morning, I'll be over at the shop to see my new Corvette all fixed and ready to be driven. I'm going to start it up and drive it for the first time, and I'm finally going to bring her home.